Good day, this is Harshit, the tech host with all the latest happenings from the tech world. Lenovo recently hosted a launch event in China to unveil its latest lineup of gaming devices under the Legion brand. The event showcased the Legion Y34W gaming monitor, the Legion Y700 2023 gaming tablet, and the all-new Lenovo Legion Y9000X 2023 gaming laptop. These devices cater to gaming enthusiasts, offering cutting-edge technology and a superior gaming experience. The Lenovo Legion Y9000X 2023 laptop boasts impressive specifications, including a 16-inch PureSight Pro display with 3200 x 2000 pixels resolution and a 165Hz refresh rate. It features a powerful 13th Gen Intel Core i9 processor paired with an NVIDIA RTX 4000 series graphic card with the option of up to an RTX 4070 for smooth gaming performance. The laptop is equipped with 32GB DDR5 5200 RAM and a speedy 1 TB storage. Next up, we have Gigabyte, the world's leading computer brand. Its AORUS Elite series motherboards have long been the go-to choice for PC gamers and enthusiasts seeking exceptional value to elevate their gaming experience to the next level. Expanding on the immense success of the AORUS Elite products, Gigabyte now introduces the AORUS Elite series graphic card, featuring the same distinguished design concept with class-leading performance. These latest additions include the GeForce RTX 4070 Ti, RTX 4060 Ti, and RTX 4060, ensuring gamers can enjoy a seamless gaming experience across their entire system. Employees of ByJus Tuition Center business unit have reportedly called off their planned protest against the company's management. The protest, which was initially scheduled for July 25, was expected to involve around 9,000 employees. However, the protest was called off after ByJus India head Mrinal Mohit held an emergency virtual town hall meeting on Saturday. During the 50-minute meeting, Mohit assured employees that the company would no longer delay variable pay and incentives, and there would be no more layoffs. ByJus, based in Bangalore, operates over 300 tuition centers across 140 towns in India. Next up, we have Sony has announced a new version of the PlayStation Portable PSP called Project Q. This device will allow users to stream games from their PlayStation 5 console and is set to debut in November. A leaked video on Twitter shows the device running on a basic version of the Android OS, featuring a plastic-wrapped design with an 8-inch HD display placed in the middle of a DualSense controller with built-in microphone, speaker, trigger, and button. When initially showcased in May, Sony revealed that Project Q will have an 8-inch HD display and enable gamers to stream PS5 games at up to 1080p resolution and 60 FPS over Wi-Fi. Reliance Jio is gearing up to launch a new JioBook laptop in India. Amazon has published a teaser on its website, which reveals that the laptop is coming in 31 July. This could either be a refreshed version of the JioBook that the company launched back in October last year, or Reliance might be planning to sell the older one via Amazon. The 2022 JioBook laptop was made available only via Reliance Digital. As of now, there is no clarity as Amazon just states all new JioBook will launch by the end of this month, and the e-commerce site has also revealed some of the key features of this device. There is a 5000 mAh battery in the which Reliance Jio can deliver up to 8 hours of battery life on a single charge. There is also passive cooling support for heat emission. Connectivity options include a 3.5mm audio jack, 5.0, HDMI mini Wi-Fi, and interestingly, the device comes with an embedded JioSIM card, which will allow people to enable Jio 4G LTE connectivity. This Jio laptop was launched under ₹20,000. Xiaomi's sub-brand Redmi recently released the Redmi 12 4G model with the Helio G88 SoC, and now they are expected to launch a 5G version of the device. Although Xiaomi has not officially revealed details about the Redmi 12 5G, a device with model code 23076RN4BI believed to be the Redmi 12 5G has appeared on Geekbench with some key specifications. The Xiaomi 23076RN4BI is expected to run on Android 13 and is likely to be powered by the Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 SoC. It comes with 8GB of RAM, but other memory options might also be available, although yet to be confirmed. Apple is currently in the process of developing its next generation of Apple silicon chips, and it is anticipated that the M3 chips will be unveiled in the near future as successors to the existing M2 processors. Rumors suggest that Apple is likely to introduce a new MacBook Air featuring the M3 chip in the coming months. However, the most high-performance devices using these chips are expected to be launched next year. According to a recent report by Mark Gurman of Bloomberg, Apple is planning to launch high-end MacBook Pro and Mac Mini models powered by the Apple M3 chipset, but these devices are not expected to debut until next year. Realme have unveiled its latest smartphone, the C51 in Taiwan, following the recent launch of the Realme C53 in India. The C51 is a more budget-friendly model, retaining the 6.7-inch HD plus 90Hz LCD screen with an impressive 90.3% screen-to-body ratio. It is powered by the Unisoc T612 SoC but features a 5-megapixel front camera housed in the notch. Similar to the C55 and C53, the C51 includes the mini capsule design and comes equipped with a side-mounted fingerprint scanner. On the rear, it sports a 50-megapixel main camera along with a depth sensor. The device is supported by a 5000 mAh battery and boasts 33-watt Super Boop fast charging capability. The Realme C51 features a 6.7-inch HD plus IPS LCD screen with a 90Hz refresh rate up to 560 nits peak brightness and a 180Hz touch sampling rate. It is powered by the Unisoc T612 octa-core 12nm processor with Mali G57 GPU and comes with 4GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 64GB of storage expandable up to 2TB with a micro SD card. The Moto G14 is scheduled to be launched in India on 1 August. In anticipation of its release, a landing page for the phone has surfaced on Flipkart, revealing its key specifications and design. The upcoming Moto G14 is expected to sport a 6.5-inch LCD FHD plus punch hole display. Its performance will be driven by an Unisoc T616 chip complemented by 4GB of RAM and 128GB of UFS 2.2 storage. Furthermore, the phone will feature a dedicated micro SD card slot for expanding storage capacity. Running on Android 13, the Moto G14 will be eligible for an upgrade to Android 14 OS and will receive security update for up to 3 years. Its 5000 mAh battery will support 20-watt fast charging, ensuring quick power top-up. Elon Musk has changed the way Twitter works, and in what could be called the biggest update since his takeover in October. The billionaire is changing the logo and the brand name of the microblogging website. As soon we shall bid adieu to the Twitter brand and gradually all the birds. Musk said in a tweet, the brand will be known as X, something he talked about soon after he bought the company. Musk also named the parent company of social media platform Twitter as X Corp. It is a fully owned subsidiary of X Holding Corporation, which is also owned by Musk. Large language models, LLMs, have received a lot of appreciation globally and have gained immense popularity in the field of natural language processing and natural language understanding. This has enabled researchers to describe intelligent systems with a better and more articulate understanding of language. Famous models like GPT-3, T5, PAR, etc. are here to stay as they do everything from imitating humans by learning to read to generating text, completing codes, translating languages, and summarizing long paragraphs. LLMs are trained on huge chunks of data and can understand human languages, syntax, semantics, and pragmatics. The top 3 models that have been able to deliver excellent performance and have extraordinary capabilities are Llama 2, GPT-4, and Clouded 2. WhatsApp is rolling out new features for iPhone users. Meta-owned messaging platform is widely rolling out landscape mode, support for video calls, silence unknown callers option, and more. On iOS, video calls now support landscape mode, the company mentioned in the official changelog. Also, users can now silence unknown callers by going to Settings, Privacy Calls. The platform is also rolling out the ability to natively transfer full account history when switching to a new device. This functionality can be accessed by navigating to Settings, Chats, Transfer Chat to iPhone. YouTube is providing a very new and ordinary facility to the viewers, allowing them to create content from comment on other shorts. In fact, the YouTube has been added a new feature for the short creators by which they allows to reply on their own content's comment as a short video. This feature has already provided an amazing facility so that there could be a good understanding between the content creator and the viewer. Now adding on this feature, YouTube is testing a new facility for the viewers by offering them to use others' comment header content to create their own videos for their own channel. And the viewers who will make his own video from another's comment, it will be posted on his own channel, about which the person whose comment will be taken, he will not even known as well, won't appear as a reply in the comment feed. ATENAdvanceUnveilsGamingBeasts, the leading provider of AV IT connectivity and management solutions, has launched new KVM-Extenders for IP transmitting and IP receiving. KX9970FT and KX9970FR are 5K DisplayPort KVM over IP transmitter and IP receiver respectively under the KX9970F model. KX9970T and KX9970R are also 5K DisplayPort KVM over IP transmitter and IP receiver but under the KX9970 model. The KX9970F and KX9970 expand on previous models with support for up to 10 Gbps optic fiber network connection, transcendent 5K audio-visual performance, speed, peripheral data sharing, and many other new features. The Android 14 update brings many new features including better font scaling, improved battery life, predictive back gestures, and better privacy for images and videos. It also brings native support for satellite connectivity for emergency communications, and this feature could come first to Google and Samsung phones. Google proudly announced at the Google I/O 2023 event earlier this year that it has added support for satellite connectivity to Android 14. Now, the official Team Pixel FC account has announced through its Twitter account that satellite connectivity will be available first on Google and Samsung phones. Team Pixel FC is an official fan club account for Pixel devices and not a direct communication channel from Google. Trading has started rolling out the second tranche of its committed ESOP liquidity program worth $50 million in 2021. The Bangalore-based Corp had announced a 2-year ESOP liquidity program for 2022 and 2020. The first tranche of the ESOP liquidity program was initiated in June last year, where the firm allowed its employees to receive liquidity of up to $23 million against their ESOPs. Overall, this is Swiggy's fourth liquidity event since 2018. This event will also see eligible employees from Dynamo, which Swiggy acquired last year, participate. The company said in a press release, last year Swiggy took over Times internet-backed Dynamo for an undisclosed sub-markets forward into favorability. The company integrated Dynamo and strengthened its position in Q-commerce with Install. Thanks for tuning in. This is Arshad signing off. Subscribe to IT Voice for an interesting giveaway in the feed.
Attention business owner, this Worm GPT will blow your mind. Worm GPT in a plan to launch wicked BEC attacks. ChatGPT was a prophet. GPT is a part of cybercrime and it will destroy your life, so be aware of it because it's one of the most emerging cybercrime threat right now all over the world. If you like this content, follow us on Instagram and share with your friends. Till then, see you tomorrow in the next video.